What's up, friends? So I have the Memphis Shades cafe fairing installed. I went ahead and plasti dipped it because it was a little scratched up. I used that same anthracite gray, gave a little texture. It matches the badging, flat black on the bottom. I think it looks pretty good. It's plasti dipped, so if I ever want to change it, just peel it off, go with a different color. Highway bar crash bars, they got installed. I love those. I can throw my legs up on them. I'm a pretty tall guy, so on longer rides I can really stretch out. You may also notice the new toe pegs for my shifter. All right, billet aluminum. They have these Allen head hex keys screws right there, so you can adjust how aggressive they are. I like them just the way they are. And I have a matching set of little mini floorboards by the same company that I got off Amazon. Got those on both sides. Again, I dig it. Brake pedal, I can really get a good bite on it. I have no fear of my foot slipping off under any circumstances now. Like I said, I wrapped the pipes, the exhaust in black. I haven't treated it with silicone yet. I'll get to that later. As you can see, it's already starting to fade a little bit, but I kind of like the way it's looking. So we'll see what I decide to do in the future. You know, I am going to end up going with the Dirty Bird exhaust, so I'm not too terribly worried about it. I love the way this exhaust sounds, but the Dirty Bird sounds even better. And the way it comes up over, you get a little bit of lean angle back, a lot actually. So I'm really looking forward to that. I ordered an Alex leather tractor seat. I did vintage black with red stitching, so cannot wait for that to come in. And I've decided I'm going to keep my fender, throw a 180 tire on the back eventually, and I'm going to do a Dean Speed sissy bar, and I'm just going to get a one-up pad for either my wife or my son to ride. But anyway, that's her coming along. Oh, the body kit, the bolt kits, man, look how clean that looks. I wish I had a before video of that. I mean, you go look at any one of my other videos, you'll see, but it's all blacked out. Even the shock bolts, which, why would they just not do that from the factory? I don't get it. Some of the bolts like these are blacked out from the factory on the fender here. I did get rid of the little reflectors here because I thought, yeah, they probably weren't doing anything anyway, and I had these left over. They're pretty cool. I'm probably going to end up mounting a little Pelican case bag right here where I'm going to keep some of my tools. I do have a set of Inzcuyo, the Paco, and the Tomahawk. So the Paco will go here, the Tomahawk will go here, and that should give me all the storage that I need. Like, even look at around the gas tank. So all those were silver. Stainless, same thing here, and now they're just black, and it just cleans up the bike, and it's less distracting to look at, in my opinion. Forks, all blacked out, right? And then the engine. And I think the engine's where it just really cleans up. I mean, it just really cleans up that whole thing. Sprocket cover. So anyways, those are the things I've done since that last video. And I know I just posted that last video yesterday, but that video was shot like 2 or 3 weeks ago. And I've been lazy not uploading. So there you go. Peace.